Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Official images renders of the thin Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge have been published. It will receive a 3900 mAh battery and many other new exciting features. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge UK pre-order offer is already live. Save up to €100. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to the latest reports, there are less than 2 weeks left before the release of the ultra-thin Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge smartphone, and already now the ubiquitous insiders claim to know everything about the future upcoming device. Its images and technical specifications were published as a result of another leak by the German language resource, WinFuture. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is 5.85mm thick and uses new materials. The back panel is covered with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the display is covered with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, rather than the Gorilla Armor 2 found on the top-of-the-line S25 Ultra. The display itself is a 6.7-inch panel with a 14x40p resolution. The smartphone is available in titanium silver, titanium icy blue, and titanium jet black. The smartphone runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, has 12GB of RAM, and offers 256 or 512GB of built-in storage memory. The main drawback of the thin case, according to the latest leak, is the battery with a capacity of only 3900 mAh, which is 1000 mAh less than that of the Galaxy S25 Plus. But the weight of the new smartphone is only 163 grams. The main camera block on the back panel contains a main 200 megapixel and an ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera. There is also a front 12 megapixel camera. The expected release date of the device is May 13. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge UK pre-order offer is already live. Save up to €100. The company is looking to lock in pre-orders even before the official announcement. It has flipped the switch on a new Galaxy S25 Edge pre-order offer in the United Kingdom, offering them the chance to save up to $100 on its brand new device. Customers who pay a refundable deposit of €50 by May 9th will get an instant €100 when they pre-order the device after it officially goes on sale. What this basically means is that by reserving the Galaxy S25 Edge for €50, you can get a straight €50 discount on the pre-order. Those who reserve the device will also receive an exclusive €50 code from Samsung by May 13th. So a €50 reservation will end up saving customers €100 when they go to pre-order the Galaxy S25 Edge. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.